Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official LinkedIn website where if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to create a business page, click on the For Business option at the top right corner and you will see Create a Company Page option at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be allowed to create a page for your company. Click on the type of page, which is a company page, and now you will be allowed to enter the information about your company. Go ahead and type in the name of your organization or your company and then enter your LinkedIn address that you want to set for your company. You can then enter the website for your company within the website section and then choose what kind of industry it is related to. You can also select your size by choosing the number of employees and then choose the type of your organization as well. Finally, you can upload your logo by clicking on the logo section and you can upload any image that you want to set as your logo from your PC. Finally, enter your company tagline and then click on the I verify option in order to agree that all of your information is correct. Finally, click on the Create Page option and your page will be created right away. You can then finalize a few other information about your company and start making your job posts if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a company page on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.